These streets are insane.
Look, I'm 84 kilo. Okay.
We're Erin and Brandon. We're an engaged couple who are chasing our passion projects while slow traveling the world before getting married in 2021. Follow our journey and stay tuned. After exploring Jaipur for over a week, we traveled about 7 hours on a bus to Jodhpur, and we were excited to be going from the pink city to the blue city.
So we've had a nice relaxing Saturday, just kind of holed up. We did some work. We've been working on the book that I'm putting out somewhat soon on how to transition your life to passion. Erin got to read it for the first time today. She's halfway through. Anyway, we're gonna go eat a little bit and then head to our Indian cooking class, which we've been so excited about ever since we got to India. Hold on. And then right? Yes. And then left.
I hope you understand. Okay? So now let's start the cook. So first, some spices. Without spices, obviously. I wash my hands, guys. Ashamati is also very good.
Yeah. What are we making now?
Aloo gobi matar.
Your favorite.
My favorite.
Is it now butter? Because butter does not take the time to cook.
Right.
Give it a stir.
Then, for basic spices. Okay, hi. I'm Rekha. Look, I'm 84 kilo. Okay. I'm very good cook. I love my husband. I hate my brother. I love my children. I love you all. And I love chai. I love sweet. I love oats chilla. You know oats chilla? You don't know. I'm like cat. I like to sleep. I'm very honest like a dog. Okay? And okay, bye.
Good looking curry.
Hopefully that we actually didn't make it. some of it.
Yeah.
Sort of lead.
We are heading out today to actually see Jodhpur. So we've been here for a couple days, catching up on work, and we had a wonderful cooking class last night. So we want to see the Blue City and also this really cool fort.
Hi.
Hello. So we tried to go to a different restaurant called Gypsy Dining Hall, which is apparently very popular. Too popular because it was so crowded that the security guy didn't let us in. So we are back at a favorite of ours.
Vedas. What do we have, Brand?
I think it's kitschia. Looks really good. Didn't really know I was ordering this, but I'm excited nonetheless.
So we're trying two completely new things today. We have paneer lababda and makai mushroom masala. And we also have some chai.
If you come to Jodhpur, you have to go to Hari Vedas. We've been there twice already, and it's so good. The level of service is incredible, and it's so affordable. I think last time it was $14, this time it was $13. Absolutely incredible.
And we eat like kings.
They serve the food for us. They're so good.
Get little warm water to wash your hands
It's
before and after the
amazing.
meal.
And now our Uber's here.
I think this is the Uber. We haven't been in an actual car in a while.
Now we're heading to Mehrangarh Fort, which is the most beautiful fort in Jodhpur. At least that's what we hear. See how it is?
There she is.
Are we at King's Landing?
Oh, it does kind of look like King's Landing. That's cool. Our first glimpse of the Blue City. This woman just took a photo shoot with me without even me knowing it. She didn't ask. She was just having her friend take pictures of me, and then she was kind of posing next to me. Mehrangarh Fort was built in 1459, and we're learning a lot of the history that has made this fort so special through these audio clips. Yet, Brandon looks like he's holding like a boom mic and he has his eye.
I think I look pretty cool.
And I feel like a celebrity today. People just keep trying to take pictures of me. I'm like, this looks cool. So we just learned that the architecture of this fort is very unique because it's all based on a series of courtyards, and the courtyards are on different levels. And a really neat part is these windows are hard to see in, but when you're inside, apparently they're very easy to see out. So I think that would be for the women whose faces weren't allowed to be seen. They still wanted to be a part of the outside world, so they could see out what was going on, but people couldn't see them. In the distance, you can see the palace where the prince and his family live right now. It's actually one of the biggest residences in the world with over 300 rooms. You could actually stay there because it's a hotel.
Ready to say hi?
Hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Erin, what do you think of your newfound celebrity status?
Normally we politely say no when we get asked to take photos, but I was truly backed into a corner there. But it was cute. Everyone was really sweet. And I took like pictures with the whole family. This section is the oldest surviving portion of Mehrangarh. You can tell that they haven't restored it at all. It's in its original state. But this is the end of our tour, so we're going to put our audio guides back.
Honestly, this has been one of the coolest forts I've ever been to. Absolutely loved it, and if you come to Jodhpur, you absolutely have to go to Mehrangarh.
We are leaving the fort and we are headed to the clock tower, which is in the old city. Hopefully we'll be able to see a lot of the blue buildings. We are at Gantagar, which is the clock tower in the old city. I don't know where the blueness is. Gotta go find it. Now, to navigate through this madness.
What's your name?
Oh my
Where you from?
New York.
Your famous actor been to my shop. Richard Gere. You like Jodhpur?
Yeah,
Where you staying in Jodhpur?
These streets are insane. Just craziness happening all over the place. There's such an energy to the street. But you really have to watch out for yourself or else you're gonna get hit by a car or run over on your feet by a motorcycle. It's wild. Let's pause for a second.
Righty, righty, roo. I've never said that before.
Looks nice.
Wow.
So this restaurant is at an old Haveli, which is the name of these very old houses in the city. This one was built in the 1800s and it's beautiful. It's a hotel and a restaurant. We were going to go see the blue houses because Jodhpur is known as the blue city. However, we haven't really been able to find it yet. So on the spot, we checked Airbnb experiences. There's a walk through the blue city that we're gonna take tomorrow or Tuesday, since we couldn't find it on our own. And instead, we're coming to this rooftop to try to catch the sunset.
But I think the rooftop is even further up. So we just have to find out how to get there first.
It's an absolute maze to find this rooftop.
It's a little dirty and there's poop everywhere, so you gotta watch your step.
When he just asked, pick up, where do you need to get picked up? I said, just come to the dock. And he said, okay, sir.
Then a woman came out and told us, no, you're not allowed to do that. And I'd like to say I am way more calm. Just like in 1459, we have tractors. Tractor is the same word in Hindi and English. Facts. Brian, tell us what you're making.
What am I making? I forget, there's just so many things.
One of those fake cars that are the music playing. I feel like we should be screaming shame, and Cersei Lannister should be walking naked up to the castle.